Chevre, ich me do my gitte chaver Moishi Shane. Moishi, you call me down to the Yishet Chaim. I have something phenomenal to show you. I'm working on this for a very long time. Moishi, wuss hast du?
Ash Chil. Some people enjoy art, some people enjoy details. This is combined both together. Art with detail together.
Wow. So this is Handarbe, this is paint. What is this?
In my dining room, my hand, paint. This is not parchment, this is...
Is this parchment?
This is schoire,
Wow.
You can feel it.
This is beautiful.
Everything
this is gorgeous. So this is not, you're not using real ink, you're using actual paint.
It's paint. Gehirige paint. And it's Ash Chil.
So basically, einer will kaufen was Avaba Matuna.
Avab darf Matuna.
Okay,
Sie gaben schon ganze Zimmer, Yomtev, jeder Shabbos, auf dem Fies, Erev Shabbos, wir gerade in der Kirche und Schulend, der Wab, Ash Chil darf Ash Chil.
Very good said. So this is something that's unique, weil es kann painting, es kann Klaff, es ist in between.
It's something that everyone enjoys, hanging on the dining room wall. Now, obviously, this is unique. Everybody's going to get their own color of their choice. Hast a blue dining room theme, it is blue, your choice. In the details, da wab's nomen is Sprinze, et me treffen Sprinze oisies in them.
Really?
So we do it na yiddish in kapper, zayin, lamed.
So what's the nomen do?
Chai Reisel, to be exact.
Wow, so you highlight all
the oisies, if you could. Oder kannst du machen die Alibis, da ist es gegangen, die Alibis, kann man machen die Alibis, straight down gold, or silver, whatever you want, or pink.
So many interesting stuff you could do over here. Wow.
So this is, actually this one I can't sell, because it already has a name.
Right.
And this is not the end product, wegen des hat Ksavashir is very hard for a woman to read.
I thought about it. Women have a hard time reading Ksavashir. Yeah, they never read it.
I'm kind of going to say teure.
Correct.
So weißt du, wie es sieht aus.
Correct.
Aber gearbeitet Chadushim lang, zu sehen, es ist noch alles aussehen, wie es einfach teure ist. Aber ein bisschen anders, ein bisschen mehr klur, ein bisschen mehr...
Wow.
Und das ist es.
Es ist also, es sieht aus wie Ksavashir ist, aber es ist nicht. Es ist beautiful. Es ist gorgeous job.
Ich mache nur 35 Stück von dem. Es ist ein unique Stückel. Wenn wir endlich mit dem, et machen ab Samatune von der Verb, zieh den Mann.
Oh.
We'll talk about it a different time, but for jetzt, this is the frame. Holz, beautiful. You can touch it, you can feel it. It's something that needs to be on your dining room wall.
Wow, let me see how it looks on the wall over here, Takamoshi. So this is how it's hung up in between these two wooden, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Wow. Wow. Ash Chil Miyam too. This is gorgeous. So you're only making 35 pieces,
100%.
And it's a custom order, technically.
It's a custom order. Now, usually my orders get at $2 each square inch. This is about 400 square inches. It's 19 by 20, so it's actually 399 square inches. 19 by 21, actually. And it's $800 a stickel. Obviously included with all the details if you want to have details. $800, hast du Wabs Nummer eine Sprinze, schreib an eine Sprinze, alles ist anschein.
Wow. Chaim Perlowitz Promotion ist, da machen wir eine scheine Promotion do. Komm mit Ash Chil.
You know what? Wir Chaim für dich, $650.
Nice.
Aber add-ons, at $1.
What's the add-ons? But the standard price is going to be $650.
$650.
Whoa.
Add-ons not that bad. We'll do it.
Wow. Wow. Okay, aber 35 pieces. Ich habe tausende followers. So make sure you hit the link right away. Moishi, what's the number?
347-433-3510. WhatsApp is the best.
WhatsApp is the best, but call text obviously versteht sich auch for the call people. Moishi, kol hakavod. You did it. You pulled it off. I know you're working on this project for a long time. Shkoyach, and we can't wait for the next project. Kosma alechting and zisa tug.